Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman Al-Hakim and my student ID number is 2020205087. Today I will explain about a place of articulation. Phonology. Place of articulation is the location in the vocal tract where airflow is obstructed or manipulated to produce consonant sound. There are several different place of articulation within the human mouth and throat, and each place of articulation produces a distinct sound. These places of articulation are based on the part of the mouth or throat used to obstruct the airflow. Here are some common places of articulation. The first is bilabial. Bilabial sounds are produced by bringing both lips together. An example in the sound. In the sound is b, p. In the word is bed and pet. Okay, the next is labiodental. Labiodental sounds are produced by obstructing airflow between the lower lip and upper lip. For example, in the sound is and f. In the example in the word is fish and ferry. Okay, the next is interdental. Interdental sounds are produced by placing the tongue between the front of teeth. For the example is ts, t, t, and the. Example in the word is thing and the. Okay, the next place of articulation is alveolar. Alveolar sounds are produced by placing the tongue behind the upper front teeth. For example is in the sound is s, and in the word is top. The next is post-alveolar. Post-alveolar sounds produced by raising the tongue just behind the alveolar ridge. For example in sound is r, and for example in the word is re. Next is retroflex. Retroflex sounds produced with tip of the tongue curved back behind the alveolar ridge. American. For example is ra. In the word is rain and R. The next is palatal. Palatal sounds are produced by raising the back of the tongue to the hard palate. For example in the sound is y. For example in the word is you. The next is velar. Velar sounds are produced by placing the back of the tongue near the soft palate or velum. For example in the sound is k and g. For example in the word is cat, cooking, go and go. And the last is glottal. Glottal sounds are produced by obstructing airflow at the vocal folds. For example, in the sound is in the word is head. Each place of articulation produces different sounds due to the position and movement of the speech organs involved, the combination of place of articulation and manner of articulation. How airflow is obstructed. Determine the various consonant sounds in language. Understanding place of articulation aids in comprehending how human speech sounds are produced and in teaching proper pronunciation. And here I will see the summary about place and manner of articulation. Look at the left on table. That is manner of articulation. Plosive, fricative, affricative, nasals, laterals, and approximants. and in above is place of articulation like bilabial, labiodental, interdental, alveolar, post-alveolar, palatal, velar, and glottal. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.